have a delicious surprise. It's a very special cake. I want you kiddies to have the first piece.
Well, if it isn't Ethel Barrymore. I do hope you're going to favor us with something special tonight.
Please.
Say, Hamlet's soliloquy, or the balcony scene from Romeo and Juliet. Oh, don't be shy. You make about the prettiest Juliet I've ever seen.
All I do is dream of you the whole night through. With the dawn, I still go on dreaming of you. You're every thought, you're everything, you're every song I ever sing. Summer, winter, autumn, and spring. And were there more than 24 hours a day, they'd be spent in sweet content, dreaming away. Skies are gray, skies are blue, morning, noon, and night too. All I do the whole day through is dream of you. Meow. All I do the whole day through is dream of you.
I just had to tell you how good you were.
Excuse me.
No, don't go. Now that I know where you live, I'd like to see you home.
Now listen,
Say.
Mr. Lockwood.
Who is this dame anyway?
Oh, someone lofty and far above us all. She couldn't learn anything from the movies. She's an actress on the legitimate stage.
Here's one thing I've learned from the movies.
Now, Lena, she was aiming at me.
Lena, you never look lovelier.
Lena, it was just a little accident.
Sure, it happens to me 5 or 6 times a day.
And where is she? Oh, excuse me. Where'd Miss Selden go?
She just grabbed her things and bolted. Anything I can do?
Sorry, I don't have time to find out.